Okay, so we're gonna do our first ever FPV flight today. Let's do it. Oh my god, I almost died. I forgot to put on the antenna. Should be good to go then. Okay, so this is manual mode. Do you think I can do a flip? Oh, let's go! And I'm going to do a range test on this thing. See how far it can go. Compared to my Mini 3 Pro, the maximum distance I've went is like a bit behind Hopewell Center. We only got one try on this because like I only have one battery on the DJI FPV. The other battery is downstairs charging. We have these antennas. These I am actually so surprised. We're gonna do our second manual flight. This is manual mode now. Let's pull out our little dive here. Okay, so the ND filter is working perfectly like I wanted. I wonder what that is. Let's do a little dive over here. It's getting a bit, the footage is getting a bit laggy. And shoot. Oh my god. Oh, thank god. Thank god. Oh my god. So it changes to normal mode straight away after you lose signal, which is great. I think I got some shots in the bag.